Hello friends, today I'm gonna introduce you with 5 top quality earbuds. You can control on each earbud while doing exercise in any position, while spending time with your loved one. These earbuds having hi-fi stereo sound with crystal clear call, with removable silicone ear sleeves. Number 1 is Bose with clear, powerful sound. Stable, comfortable and fit. Up to 5 hours per charge. Up to 10 extra hours with charge case. On number 2, Powerbeats Pro with secure fit ear hooks. Control on each earbuds while doing exercise. Hands-free voice control with Siri. And up to 9 hours of battery life. Powerbeats Pro. Make your life easier. On number 3, I recommend JBL. Pro Sound Perfect Fit. Mono mode is always aware of your surroundings during phone calls. Duo mode for an impressive sound experience. With JBL signature sound, you will get 4 hours continuous playback. Feel comfort with interchangeable ear tips. Feel secure with removable silicone ear sleeves. Sweet proof with 24 hours of combined playback. Number 4, I recommend VANKYO with 2 wireless instant pairing auto connect. More stable connection and IPX8 sweet waterproof. Comfortable fit and seal. Smart touch control with 3500 mAh high battery capacity. Number 5, I recommend TaoTronics, free to use either earbud. In a forest, TaoTronics is your best companion. It's having hi-fi stereo sound with 40 hours playtime. TaoTronics connect with any kind of mobile and give you crystal clear call. So guys, thank you for watching my video. You can purchase these earbuds from the given below links. Bye bye.